Someone should choose Kirkwood Dental because they will improve your smile. And if you're dealing with dental pain, they will diagnose that pain, and they will also be very flexible in how they deal with the finances of your situation. I'm Don Bates Jr. I came to Kirkwood Dentistry because of an infected tooth, which led to a bone graft, and it led to crowns in my mouth. This treatment changed my life because I have a brand new smile. When they do x-rays, they're not nearly as painful as other places that I've been. And when I say painful, I have a terrible gag reflex. And so it seems like that when they do the x-rays, it's just not near the painful process that it's been at other places. I think Kirkwood Dentistry is the best. I think the results speak for themselves. And at the end of the day, what they were able to accomplish for me, I think they can accomplish for anyone.